Hello everyone, and welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss, can self-taught programmers get jobs? So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Can self-taught programmers get jobs? Let's find out. 1. Real-world success stories. Let's explore some real-world success stories of self-taught programmers who have achieved remarkable careers. David Heinemeier Hansson, the creator of Ruby on Rails, learned to code while working on his own web applications. Hadi Partovi, who co-founded Code.org, didn't have a computer science degree but taught himself how to code and later co-founded multiple successful tech companies. 2. The power of self-teaching. One of the most remarkable aspects of the tech industry is that you can acquire a substantial amount of knowledge independently. Many successful programmers began their careers by learning on their own. They used resources readily available on the internet to acquire the necessary skills. The key is having the motivation and dedication to learn at your own pace. 3. Learning resources. The internet is your best buddy when it comes to self-teaching programming. It's packed with valuable resources like YouTube tutorials, informative blogs, helpful forums, and specialized coding websites that offer either free or affordable courses. Websites like Codecademy, Coursera, and freecodecamp.org offer interactive courses that guide you through the basics and more advanced concepts of programming. YouTube channels like Programming with Mosh and The Net Ninja provide video tutorials that are both informative and easy to follow. 4. Building a portfolio. Consider the importance of constructing a robust portfolio as you go through your self-teaching journey. Your portfolio should include projects that highlight your capabilities, ranging from building a simple web application to developing a mobile app or contributing to open-source projects. The goal is to demonstrate your problem-solving skills, creativity, and coding proficiency. 5. Networking. Don't underestimate the significance of networking in your path towards becoming a self-taught programmer. Building connections can play a pivotal role in opening doors to job opportunities. Participating in coding meetups, conferences, and hackathons can introduce you to like-minded individuals who share your passion for programming. Online coding communities, such as GitHub and Stack Overflow, provide platforms for collaboration and learning from others. 6. Challenges and persistence. The journey to becoming a self-taught programmer is not without its challenges. Learning to code can be demanding, and the job market can be competitive. It's important to understand that facing rejection is part of the process, and it doesn't mean you're not capable. Many successful programmers faced numerous rejections before landing their desired positions. What sets them apart is their determination to keep learning, improving, and applying for opportunities. 7. The importance of skills. When it comes to securing a job in the tech industry, employers place a higher emphasis on your skills and abilities than the formal path you took to acquire them. What truly matters is your capacity to solve problems using code. Your ability to tackle coding challenges effectively and efficiently is what employers value most. 8. Conclusion. Absolutely, self-taught programmers can find employment in the tech industry. It's all about your dedication, the quality of your portfolio, and your ability to showcase your skills. Embrace setbacks as opportunities for growth and keep pushing forward. The journey to becoming a self-taught programmer may not always be smooth, but it's a path filled with potential and opportunities waiting to be seized. That's all for this video, and if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up for more content, and hit that notification bell, so you don't miss any upcoming video. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.